Hello, welcome back to my channel, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm here to talk about the treatment for pimples and acne. Here is a A3 lemon yellow. It's a very good treatment for treating acne and pimples. It's not a lightening gel, and it's not also a lightening facial cleanser. It's a very good treatment for acne and pimples. Using the A3 facial cleanser, you will feel a little bit more moisturized, but when you apply the A3 gel on your face, you feel a little bit more dry. So if you don't really like the way your skin feels, the dryness, you can add the A3 gel into any face moisturizer of your choice, then mix it up together. Use it 2 times in a day. First of all, use a A3 facial bar soap to wash your face. Then use a A3 facial cleanser to clean your face. After that, you can use the gel the way you want it. So, and there is not a lightening product. It's not gonna lighten your face. It's a treatment. So that's all I have to say about this cream. Please do not forget to subscribe. Bye.